Okay, Braille Note Taker. Braille Note Taker is a portable device that allows users to create documents in an accessible format. These portable devices allow users to take notes in Braille and access them later, supporting persons with visual impairment in meetings and during independent kind of work or reading. There are many different types of Braille note takers. As you can see, this one is called Braille Note, one of the oldest kind of Braille note takers, and it is produced by Humanware. We have Orbit readers, and we have what we call Focus Blue 40. I highly recommend, if you're a Braille user and you can afford a Braille display or note taker, it's better you buy Focus Blue 40 because of its compatibility features with the screen readers. These Braille note takers, they help us to take notes into Braille. We can use them with computers installed with screen readers. A case in point, this computer has JAWS screen reader. You remember I told you a screen reader is a software program that reads all of the text on a computer screen using a synthesized voice. So in this case, I'm using Braille Focus Blue 40 to make notes. So it has a cable. This cable it's more like a C-type cable. You connect it at on the Braille display or Braille note taker, and also you put it into the computer. This Braille note taker has Braille keys that make a cell or a Braille cell. That is .1, 2, 3, .4, 5, 6, and it has .7, which is the clear key, and .8, which is the enter key. So, as long as you know how to use a Perkins Braille machine, you are able to use this Braille note taker. What is the purpose of the Braille note taker, apart from taking notes in accessible format? It's also bridging the gap. There are some teachers, lecturers, who don't know how to read Braille. But with this Braille note taker, we can connect it here on the PC. So whatever I'm typing in Braille can be translated directly into print, meaning the lecturer will not need to get a Braille transcriber. He'll be able to just look at the screen and print what you have brailled. Also, you'll remain with a copy in Braille format, and also the lecturer will have a copy in print format on the screen. So let's get started. How do we use this Braille note taker? I've told you, just put the cable into the computer and then you get connected. You must be able to have JAWS on your desktop or laptop. So we can go to the PC, start menu, type in WO, looking for word. So we have our word there. Now, I love my mother, and of course, I believe you also love your moms. This is I want to give that, I want to make that sentence using the Braille note taker. Dear students, this Braille note taker, or the Focus Blue 40, has different parts. And the first key important part is the Braille keys, which is .1, 2, 3, that's from my left going, and then .4, 5, 6 on my right. The way you see how the Perkins Braille was made, this also how the Braille keys were made. These 6 keys help us to form what we call the Braille cell, and we get letters from these 6 keys. It has also the 7th key, which is the clear key or clear button, and the 8th key, which is the enter button. It has shift keys, space bar, nav rockers, and all these have different functions. But how do we use this Braille note taker to take notes? As I told you, these ones bridge the gap of lecturers, teachers who don't know Braille. They're able to see whatever is being translated directly on the screen, meaning the student will be able to remain with the Braille copy, and also the lecturer will have a print copy on the screen. For example, we all know letter I is dot 2 and 4. So I've typed letter I. The moment you type a certain letter, you have to press spacebar for that letter to be seen. The moment you don't press spacebar, everything you're typing will be in the background. So don't get scared and start complaining that you're not seeing the work you're typing. It's after every word you type, you need to press spacebar, and then everything will be seen. So I'm typing, I love my mother. So this is I, L, this is O. So whenever I'm typing, JAWS is even, or the screen reader is even telling me what I should be able to type. So that is O. I can write V. Then I can write E. Sorry, that's I. That is E. Then when I space, we are able to see the word I love. But I made a mistake between V and E. I also typed A. So what do I do to correct that? I first have to come. There is what we call cursor routers, because I can see where the problem is. Then I press the up cursor router, and the cursor will be able to move to that exact position where I want it. So when it moves, I'm able to clear it. So when you're correcting errors, you have to be very careful, because the moment you press any cursor router, it will make different kind of words. So we can repeat. I'm typing, the word is I love my mother. That is I. This is L. This is sorry, I'm trying to. This is V, and this is E. When I space, I have I love. Then my, that is letter M, which is dot 1, 3, and dot 4. Then Y is dot 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love my, then mother. contraction, which is dot 5, and letter M. So when you're writing a contraction, you first press dot 5, and then you add letter M. When you space, the word is there. I love my mother. So here we have in Braille, and also in print, you have the word I love my mother. But however, how do you know where the cursor is? You can feel there are some 2 dots that are coming out. And these 2 dots, when you put your finger there, it pricks as if something is protruding. So that's how you get to know that's the cursor. So from there, you are able to save your work and then or print it out. Thank you.